Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got another makeup subscription box to share with you, and it is Plouise. This month's box has shrunk. Now, generally the boxes differ month to month anyway, and it's not the size of the box, is it? It's the contents. So I have had a quick peek. As you can see, I've opened it up. I could not resist. But if you're new to the Plouise subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if not, if you just want to get straight into seeing what's inside, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So this is Plouise's budget box. It's a monthly beauty subscription and it ships internationally. It costs £30 a box, and then shipping is added at checkout. To the UK, it's an additional £1, so £31. As well as a monthly subscription, which you can cancel any month, they offer a 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. Plus they offer one-off boxes. So if you're thinking, I don't want to commit to a subscription, but I really fancy this month's box, then you are able to purchase it, as long as it's not sold out, that is, on their website for £30. So exactly the same as the subscription, which I really like. So you're able to just dip in and out if you don't want the commitment and the surprise what a subscription brings to you. Inside you'll find full-size makeup, skincare, makeup tools, and also exclusives. A few months ago we had this gorgeous, really large eyeshadow palette, and oh my gosh, it was beautiful. That was an exclusive. Last month then we had an eyeliner that had only just been released, I think after the boxes came out as well, if I'm right. I'm still learning. I've only been subscribed to the subscription for a couple of months. So yeah, so it's exciting to know that we're receiving products that no one knows about yet and no one's received yet, so I like that. If you were to subscribe now, you won't receive this box. If you want this box, then unfortunately you'll just have to opt for the one-off box option for £30. But if you do subscribe now, you will receive your first box the very beginning of June. All boxes get sent out towards the end of the month. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. But I'll pop a link down below to the subscription, and unfortunately there's no discount codes. Unless there might well be one on their website, and we'll have a look, and if there is one I will pop it down, but for the last couple of months there hasn't been. But underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you're to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside the smaller budget box. Normally the boxes are about this big. So inside we've got a little card, and it's just a little card. It doesn't tell you anything about it. It's just introducing you to the budget box by Plouise. For babes on a budget, welcome to the world of Plouise. We do things differently here. And I'll give you a sneak peek. Now there's no information inside telling you what you've got, what is an exclusive, how much it costs, etc. So starting off, you've got a palette here. This is Pick Your Pan, taking your makeup to pro status. 4-pan empty magnetic palette. If I can spot them on the website, I'll pop up a price on the screen as we go along. It says here, artistry comes as the most intense mode of individuality, and it's time to get personal with Plouise. Choose your favourite shades to release your inner artist for a personalised preference and effortless portability. Curve your future, shade your haters, and define your skills with your contour kit, because nothing says world domination more than perfectly sculpted cheekbones. There, get a better idea of what it looks like. Then we've got shades. We've got shades here to pop inside. So there's 4, obviously, to fit in the pan. First up, we've got Rich Plum. Wow, this is a little bit different. Introducing our Plouise single bronzers. Carve your future, shade your haters, and define your skills. It's time to pick your pan. It looks like there. I'll pop it in the case and then I'll swatch them afterwards. Better look there. No, not Rich Plum, Rich Rum. Oh, I was thinking it doesn't look purple. Ignore me, ignore me. Then I've got Truly Tawny, and I'm going to pop this in as well. Saves it falling out. Down the bottom there. Then I've got Walnut Wish. Now, these are really dark for me. Down there. This is Cheeky Chai up the top there. So really pretty colours, but the two on the left are quite dark. I'll just do a swatch. Those are not really my tone, but these two I could work with. That one's a little bit too light for me. I like it a little bit deeper, so I really like that one. I can't remember what that one was now. Yeah, that one down the bottom there. That's my favourite. But the two on the left are a little bit too dark. So we've got a full bronzer set there. Then we've got 3 loose pigments. So you let your heart shine. It's pretty packaging, isn't it? Now, I'm not a fan of loose pigment. Yeah, just can't be bothered to use it, in all honesty. Even though I've opened this up to have a quick look, I haven't actually opened up everything to see the shades or anything like that. This is Cupcake Club. Really cute. I'm going to be really careful. Can you see there? Woo! No, it's just a little bit's fallen. That's really pretty. Wow. Oh my word, it's so, so pretty. Look. Lots of different colours. It's really pretty. It's nice and smooth as well. Yeah, it is nice. It is nice. So next up, we've got Bubblegum Babe. Exactly same design. See the all that it look. Oh my word, did you see that? Oh my gosh, it just I'm wearing black jeans and it just look, even though it looks all pink here, it looks like I've got lots of blue glitter all over me. Oh, it's so, so pretty. See, I'm seeing, looking at it here, purple at the top there. Can you see? Yeah, really pretty. The last one, and the last item in the box as well, fairy dust. Oh, flipping Nora! I've just put my finger through it. Oh my god, I got it everywhere. Can you see? I got it everywhere. See? Ooh. It's a gorgeous green colour. I just added it down there. That's the top one that I blended in. That's the purple, and then the greeny one is down there. They are really pretty, although the floor, my jeans, everything is covered. But they are a faff and they make a mess, and yeah, I don't use them. I know if I was more careful, then obviously it wouldn't make a mess, you know, because I use a dump and down brush and pop it in, and yeah, but I literally make a mess opening it up, let alone taking any of the product out. So, yeah, to be honest, I am not that impressed with this month's box, and it's the first box that I've had since subscribing 4 months ago, yeah, the start of the year, that yeah, this box is not that great for me. Yeah, having 3 pigments, super pretty, but 3 of them, but it would have been better if you just had 1. Am I alone in this? I'd love to hear what you think of it. I love the fact that we've got a set of bronzers here and different pans, so I can like switch things up and I can change the colours, which I probably will do. I might do that. I'll have a go at the darker shades, but they might be good for eyeshadows. Well, the other 2 I could use. So yeah, not a dreadful box, but not my favourite either. I am a bit disappointed this month. I would have liked to see more variety. We usually get a lot of different types of things, you know, but it just feels a little bit flat this month. Well, that's my thinking anyway. I'd love to hear what you think. Have you received your box if you are a subscriber? What do you think of it? Do your shades differ from mine? Or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? Or are you thinking, do you know what, that's a load of rubbish. There's no way I'm subscribing. Regardless of what you think, I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. And make sure you click the notification bell as well so that you never miss out on all my videos. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.